Standardization should involve this S word to ensure 3S activities are done in a timely manner.
What is a 5S schedule?
This color tag is generally used for items that are not needed in the area.
What is a red tag?
This set-in-order toolcart is used in the setup of an injection molding machine. It is an example of how setting in order can assist in this type of reduction.
What is reduction of the waste of defects?
What is setup reduction or changeover reduction?
It is important to have this area set aside prior to any sorting or red tagging.
What is a red tag holding area?
One aspect of a daily cleanup might include this activity, if there are machines involved.
What is inspecting equipment for abnormalities?
These positive reinforcements, both beginning with R, can be used to help make 5S a habit.
What are rewards and recognition?
One of these, which lists the activities to be completed each day, might be used as part of the third S.
What is a Shine Daily checklist?
Saiketsu is usually translated to this English word beginning with the letter S.
What is standardize?
If items such as tools are used in a particular order, this approach should be used to organize them.
What is to place them in the order in which they are used?
This activity, usually done by a team, is used to evaluate 5S compliance and continuous improvement.
What is a 5S audit?
Thanks. That is our show for today.